Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Google Map location to a website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to come over into our Visual Studio Code, and here we need to type the HTML structure, and after that we'll go for Google Maps. So for that I'm going to open Google Chrome and we go for Google Maps. And then into the Google Maps, if I just come over into this over here, as you can see, here is the Diwani Bazaar. So if you just want to give this location into your HTML websites, what you need to do, you just need to click your location, and then here you just need to click on the share button, and then here you will get the embed a map option, and over here you can simply copy HTML option, and then you can simply paste it into the body section like this, and then you can simply add a header. So if I just add a h1 tag and right over here Mullapara location, and you can simply save it. And now if you open the live server, and as you can see that here is your location is rightly linked in with your website. You can simply zoom in, zoom it out, you can simply do it as well. So that's it. This is how we can simply add Google Map in your HTML website in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.